Credit cards are the most important and valuable type of account to have on your credit report. A credit card is a revolving account, and you can charge this up and pay it down over and over. An example of a revolving account is Visa, MasterCard, and a department store card. To give you an idea of how essential credit cards are, I'll give you one of my favorite analogies. When early miners tunneled deep into the earth looking for coal, they would bring along a canary. There was no technology back then to warn them of dangerous gases like carbon monoxide. So the canary, being much smaller and quicker to succumb to the effects of toxic gases, would give miners an early warning so they could exit the tunnel immediately. The expression canary in a coal mine refers to having the means to sense danger in advance so you can protect yourself. Revolving credit is the canary in your credit report because credit card usage gives an early warning when there's danger. Remember, the sole purpose of a credit report is to record your financial actions to determine what kind of a credit risk you and I are. It's a known fact that people going through financial hardship prioritize how they spend money in a very predictable way. Here's the simple version. The biggest priority is food and housing, of course. Behind those is the car. 84% of all cars purchased in the United States are financed, so most people have a car payment. And then behind the car payment is, of course, gas for the car. During financial hardship, people begin to overuse their credit cards, relying on them for life's expenses. If a decision needs to be made on what to pay and what not to pay, credit cards are the first debts to not get paid. And this makes perfect sense. If you don't pay your rent or mortgage, you're going to get evicted. Stop paying your car payment and the repo man shows up. But if you bought your food and gas using a credit card, nobody's coming to repossess dinner or siphon the gas out of your tank. FICO and Vantage understand this. They've been analyzing credit behavior of tens of millions of people for decades. When credit card balances go up, credit scores go down, sometimes by 100 points or more. That's the canary in the credit report saying, warning, there's danger here. This person's overusing their credit cards. It looks like they're having serious financial problems. Let's drop their credit score until we see which way this story is headed. Are they going to pay this credit card down or off next month? Or are they not going to pay this credit card at all? Keep in mind, maintaining a high balance on your credit card is high-risk behavior. Because your credit score is incredibly sensitive to your credit card balances, it's easy to fool FICO and Vantage into thinking that you're having some serious financial problems even when you're not. How you use revolving credit will make or break your credit score. Now that I've explained why revolving credit is essential, I'll now teach you the strategies for using credit cards like an expert to increase your credit score. If you don't have a credit card or you don't think you can get one, don't worry about it. I'm going to provide you a solution in the upcoming strategy videos.